Hello again. So just to recap, we have already connected our store, we have imported our contact list, we've started collecting subscribers, we have made a campaign, we have enabled automations, and once we do all of those things, we can also check the reports on how they are doing. So let's go ahead and jump into the report section. So in the reports tab, we can select campaigns, workflows, or forms. In our case, let's select campaigns first. And as you can see, we've been pretty busy and been pretty successful regarding the sales of our campaigns. And we can jump into more detailed explanations by just clicking on the campaign name. And we are taken to the report. And it's giving us a lot of information. It's giving us an open rate, click rate, revenue, everything else. You can check the link activity, what percentage of people clicked on certain links. You can see the 24 hours performance, and you can even see the email client report or device report. And here's a very nifty feature. We also have a click map that you can access right over here. And that would be pretty much it about the campaigns reporting. Let's jump into the workflows reporting. So in the workflows, we can also sort these campaigns by sales, click rate, open rate. In our case, let's select sales and filter the statistics by email or SMS or push notifications. In our case, it's going to be email. So the product abandonment obviously is doing pretty well. Let's check out its report. So we are taken to the report and we can choose the duration of the time that it was active. In our case, let's select all time and we can see how many people entered, how many people completed it, and how many emails were sent and how much revenue they all generated. You can see it change over time and you can see what emails were included in the workflow. If there would be more emails, you would be able to see a bunch more. In this case, it was only one. So that is it from the workflow section. Let's jump into the forms and let's see which ones are performing the best. So let's filter them out. Let's select the enabled one. Let's select pop-up and let's check out the report of this one. Let's click over here. So you can see a bunch of general information like views, interaction rate, submit rate, etc. And you can also see the performance over time. And you can also see the device report based on views, interactions, submits, or signups. And so this data can give you enough information to make informed decisions about your marketing endeavors. Thank you for watching.